We are in troubled times. You may have heard of a legend named Luke Skywalker. And now there's a new Jedi. Does anyone know her name? Rey, yes. You're here for another reason too. To build this. The lightsaber. To build a lightsaber is an art form. It connects the user to the Force. The Force flows through you, and it's used for defense. The green kyber crystal. Once wielded by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and Luke Skywalker. And it's time for you to choose your kyber crystal. In a minute.
And then once you sit here,
Alright, you can go ahead and choose one.
and then you're going to do the other side. So choose another. And then again, don't worry about the first thing.
Raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy.